For this video, we are going to be going over the basics on how to best give your garland the shape you want.
We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
For the first step, we're gonna go ahead and grab our mini garland here, made up of 12 balloons. If you're not sure how we created the mini garland, go ahead and check out this video. But for our mini garland today, we're using the Garland mirrored white gold. We are going to take one of our 260s already tied loosely. We're gonna wrap it around one of the balloons. And then we're gonna attach that 260 to our hook. Okay, now that we have it attached to the hook, we are actually just gonna maneuver the balloons around a little bit. We're gonna shift these 19 inches so they're facing forward a little bit more, and we're gonna press the entire mini garland down so it is not lifted up off the floor. Now that we've attached our first mini garland, we're gonna go ahead and start the second step, which is honestly kind of just a repeat of the first step. We're gonna grab another mini garland, set of 12, in a different color. This is going to be the Tough Text yellow. And we are gonna go ahead and just find a neck in here, to find a neck in our white gold, and attach them that way. All right, so our yellow is attached here. You can take a look. I haven't moved these at all. That's just as soon as I tied it in, just lay like that. But now we're gonna go ahead and shape it a little bit. The beauty about having these mini garlands, our sets of 12 balloons, is there's like kind of two separate clusters in here, clusters of 6. So I can actually kind of take this top cluster of 6 and maneuver it in a direction that I want. So go ahead and take a look at how I do that. For the third color we're going to be using, it's going to be the Tough Text Sea Glass. So we have a mini garland of that we are going to be attaching to our Tough Text yellow here. So basically, again, this is just kind of repeating steps. We're gonna keep continually adding mini garlands in. As you can see, some of my mini garlands have 19s and 11s mixed in. This will kind of help give your base garland dimension. So make sure you're just adding your mini garlands and then you're maneuvering your balloons around and shaping them in the direction that you want them. And this will help create the skeleton of your garland. As you are adding mini garlands onto your skeleton, about every 3 mini garlands, I would say, you're probably going to add another attachment point. So add a hook and grab another one of your loop 260s, put this around the balloon and attach it to the hook. And that is basically it right there, guys. You're just gonna be using your mini garlands, connecting them at the neck and shaping them as you go. I love this method just because with those mini garlands, you have those 2 clusters of 6 in there, which really gives you the ability to kind of maneuver and make sure you don't really have any straight lines going in your garland and perfectly creating a shape that you want on a wall or maybe around an accent of some sort. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how we go ahead and add some detail to this base garland, go ahead and check out this video.
So how when you hit that shit, you want that kid.